KSU Students Union KSU kala Maham bakan beteng ban pynlong da jingiakhih ibat mai bat kibat tyngeh lada ka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences NEIGRIHMS kan penya syakmat ika jing thungkam kabanwan jongka klam da penbat ika jing dawa jongka seng halor ka bha jongki riulum na ka bantai kinong tray. General Secretary ke KSU Samna Ruben Najar haga khatlai trik nai tung ulo ong baka seng kala IT ka shithi pen kan mau shau director ke NEIGRIHMS halor ka jinga menjur ka balashim haka santrik ujemang usnam peladap hadian ka jingiakhih shong kelan mengor pasan singi hadian ka jingiakhih nakalang ka sarkar balalam khmat daw menteri barim uba polling do bat ki he officer ka NEIGRIHMS kala khot ingi shaka jingalang hakaba ka jingakran kala long ka baseso nakabenta ban weng ya kan ka jinge hakaba nakalang ka NEIGRIHMS kala menjur ban penya syakmat ya ka jing thungkam tat hadu bandala ban penbat ya kini kam ong usamla Ruben Henry ula ong bawat la ka seng kala yo ya ka jingkular ban penbat ya kani ka kam hapoh shibnai bat ban pa shaka ministry Henry menta kala ya palat shisnem Henry omsham lale AA halor kani ka kam kum ka seng ngim kwa asatya ban pensange ya ka jing penrung kam hapoh NEIGRIHMS namar ngisko tho namar ka jingnang bun jong kinong pang bat halor ka jingdan kam shu ya kinas nakalyang ka jongi ru ni kwa ban penstat ya ka kam Henry nakalyang ka sarkar la shukorengi da ka bakentu bangin sange ya ka jingiakhih bat ban penbait no ya ka kam hapoh shibnai Henry kalong ka basngosi namar haduk menta kani ka kam kadang sateng ulaang kaseng kala kamru bakala yo jingte ba director ka NEIGRIHMS unsara ya ka jing terwa thungkam sha ka governing council klam da pendrong ya jing jingmut bat ki jing dawa jong ka KSU ada ki penya syakmat ya ka jing thungkam kumba kalong hashwa banwan ra ya ka nungu no ka jing kala insa sakhi khambun kinas shinrang ki banwan han NEIGRIHMS barok ki kam balamang shiki riulum on sa shimno da ki briu ki bawan na shabar ka jelam bar ka jinglong jinman hapoh NEIGRIHMS kan sanang kham sniu shu ulaang hakashi sha director ka KSU kala banjur bakan aila di ka jingalang jong ka governing council tat hadu bandapan bai di ka jingdawa jong ka seng
we have submitted a letter to the director of NEIGRIHMS citing that to honor the meeting that we have had on the 5th of May 2025. Last year in the year 2025, on 1st of May, the KSU has had a sit-in demonstration, infinite sit-in demonstration for 5 days, whereby we have demanded for a male to female ratio, as done in other states, the reservation for indigenous tribals, and other various issues that were there at that point of time. After the sit-in demonstration that happened, it was the intervention of the state government that has called us for a meeting to come to a table and to discuss and have a meaningful dialogue to solve this issue. So after the meeting, which was led by Honorable Cabinet Minister at that point of time, Bapolingdo, in the presence of the officials from NEIGRIHMS, the officials from the state, which included the Commission Secretary Home Political, Syllad, the Deputy Commissioner at that point of time, SPCT at that point of time, we have come to a conclusion that the NEIGRIHMS will not go ahead with the recruitment until unless these issues are finally being resolved. And at that point of time, we were given an assurance from the representative of the government that this issue will be solved within 1 month. They will send the letters to the ministries regarding the demands that was made by the union. But unfortunately, it has been more than a year now. No progress has been made. But for the fact that the union time and again has written the letter to the health minister, has written the letter to the chief secretary, has written the letter to the CM, reminding them of this particular issue in the health sector. Because as a union, we do not want to halt the recruitment process in NEIGRIHMS, because we understand that with the growing number of patients coming every single day, there's also a need of more nurses. So we want to expedite the thing from our side, but it is the false the false promises made by the government at that point of time, that told us to stop the agitation and we will solve this matter within 1 month. But unfortunately, till now also there has been no progress, and we have got a report that from the that the director of NEIGRIHMS will be having a governing council soon, and in this governing council he is going to discard all the demands that have put forward by the union, and will go ahead with the recruitment policy as it is. And if they go ahead with the recruitment as it is before, without bringing any changes that the union has suggested, then again you'll see all the male nurses coming to NEIGRIHMS. All the jobs which are meant for the tribal also are going to be taken off by the other people coming from outside the state, and the situation from NEIGRIHMS is going to get back to worse. So in our letter to the director of NEIGRIHMS today, we have mentioned specifically that we are not going to allow any meeting of the governing council until and unless these matters are being resolved. And from the NEIGRIHMS also, they have to take steps with the state government to resolve this issue, because at that point of time they have also agreed to it. And if NEIGRIHMS does not honor the agreement that has been made on the 5th of May, then from the union again we will start the agitation. We'll continue the agitation in NEIGRIHMS, and this time around it's not going to be only sitting protest, but we are going to take different measures, extreme measures as well.